What kind of material would you have seized? What did you take in?
We took in 159 barrels of beer. That would be sufficient now for, on one run, to make 2,550 gallons of Poitín. And by using the bottled beer the second time, it would be sufficient to make 5,100 roughly.
And how much would that be worth, 5,000 gallons of Poitín?
Well, it would be worth approximately £63,000.
Not for the first time, people are talking again of making Poitín a legal industry. During the past year, for instance, one resourceful cooperative in the Gaeltachta, Gaeilge Gaeilge, has carried out a good deal of research into the idea and claims that the legalisation of small local Poitín distilleries could create a £20 million business.
There would have to be several conditions laid down. The conditions that we would see, first of all, that a Poitín maker would have to acquire a licence. To get a licence to manufacture, he would have to meet certain laid-down criteria, which would govern hygiene, makeup of the actual Poitín. And on top of that, when he would actually come about to manufacture, there would have to be quality control, which would be done, we would see it by, say, the Department of Industry and Commerce. That is, we're speaking about a very tightly controlled operation, not a free-for-all.
Poitín breo agus é mihilesro.